Stateline Veterinary Service is a mobile conventional ET and IVF service providing collections on farm and at satellite sites. Our trailer is easily cleaned and both heated and cooled to allow collections year-round. We are EU export certified for embryos produced by conventional flushing and in vitro fertilization. Our goal is to provide affordable, high-quality ET and IVF service that is both practical in expectations and pricing, while also convenient to our producers. Prior to collection, the donor's estrus cycle is synchronized. She is then stimulated to recruit a greater number of follicles than what is typically matured during her normal cycle. These follicles house the oocytes within the ovary.
On collection day, the donor is loaded into the trailer and restrained in the custom chute. She is sedated, blocked, and thoroughly cleaned prior to collection. It is important for the oocytes to be maintained at the proper temperature through the entire process. The collection area is heated, and heating devices are used both during collection and in the lab. The OPU handle is introduced, follicles are identified and aspirated into the collection tube, and the tube is taken into the lab for processing. After the oocytes are transferred into the lab, the donor is unloaded, and the next donor is loaded to begin the next OPU procedure.
Once in the lab, the oocytes are identified and graded under the microscope and then placed in a vial for transport to Bovatech. A water bath, hot plate, and microscope stage warmer are used to maintain the temperature of media and the oocytes in the laboratory. Once in the lab, the excess fluid from the collection is filtered off, and the remaining fluid containing the oocytes is transferred to a dish for searching. The oocytes are identified and graded under the microscope and washed through 3 consecutive dishes of fresh media before being placed into a vial for transport.
As an overview of IVF service through Stateline Veterinary Service, donor females are collected in our climate-controlled trailer. All that is necessary for the producer to provide is power, water, and a spot to park and load the donor. The collection process takes 15 to 20 minutes. The oocytes are placed in an incubator and driven to the Bovitech laboratory in Madison, Wisconsin. This is done exclusively by a Stateline Veterinary Service employee. A week later, embryos are ready to be either transferred fresh or frozen for future transfer or sale. Ultimately, our goal at Stateline Veterinary Service is to make our producers more profitable. To achieve this, our group focuses on providing high-quality, affordable reproductive technologies. At the end of the day, the quality of our service is measured by the production and success of our producers.